Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Gemini AI on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your app store and on the search bar simply type in Google, and then once you hit enter, you'll be seeing this Google app. Simply download this app. And once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is tap on open. What you need to do now is simply tap on the profile icon if you haven't logged in. And once you tap on your profile icon, log into your account. And once you have logged into your account, on the top you'll be seeing this Google search and this Gemini AI icon. Now what you need to do is simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here you'll be sent to this welcome to Gemini page. All you gotta do is simply tap on I agree. And once you tap on this I agree, that's basically how to use Gemini on iPhone. Now you can just simply type in hi Gemini. And now you can see the Gemini replying, and that's basically how to use Gemini AI on iPhone. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.